Hi, boys and girls. We're going to continue on our Go Math packet. I think we'll be able to do this in a couple weeks. We'll definitely be able to get it done before we go back to school, before spring vacation, which is a good thing, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do, the next 2 pages, well, it's kind of the same thing that we practiced yesterday, 13 and 14, but yesterday we modeled it. Yesterday you had to draw the 13 and 14 in the 10 frames. Today you're going to practice writing it. So remember the other day on Zoom, I had you guys get out your Unifix cubes and everybody made a tower with 10. That's what they did here. They put 10 in the tower, or not a tower. I call that a snake, right? It's laying down so it looks like a big long snake or train. Okay, so we've got a 10 cube train plus 11, 12, 13. And then down here we have blue. We have 10 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All you have to do on this page is just count them and trace the numbers. You don't even have to write them all by yourself. Okay, and then when you trace the 13, see how they make a tiny little T? I'm going to start it way up on the top. Even though they didn't do it right, did they? It's not wrong, it's just not the way we do it. We start our T's all the way from the top, even lowercase t's. 13. I see. I love it. Look at the TH. So glad we learned those sounds, huh? And then 14, you write the word for, and then teen. And we practice writing the numbers. Okay, I'm done. All right, now this whole page is going to be all about 13. First, they're going to show us here. I got a lot of light coming in that window, so there's a glare. That's better, isn't it? Okay, they're going to show us 13 flowers. Now, we could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's fine if you count them that way, but it's faster to say 10, 11, 12, 13. The more practice you do on teen numbers, the easier it is to count them that way. 10 and 3 is 13. All I have to do, again, is trace. Okay, down here, we have to write it by ourselves now. We have 10 and 3 more. Okay, when I first put that 1 there, that doesn't mean this. It doesn't mean 1. It means 10, right? 10 and 3 more. 10, 11, 12, 13. Now here you're going to separate it because the directions say, let me put on my glasses here. Sorry about that. Look at the 10 ones and some more in number 2. Complete the addition sentence to match. We want this to match this. What did we start out with? 10. And then we added 3 more. All together, 10 and 3 is 13. Here, I'm going to even put that up on top. You guys don't have to do that, but I want to show you. 10 here and 3 here is 13. That's what they want us to do down there. Now the same thing for 14. Well, this time we get to count pink flowers. Can we do it like this, guys? 10, 1 more is 11, 12, 13, 14. When we write it, 10 and 4 more. We count to 10 and then we keep going, 4 more. Down here, we're gonna go, I'm gonna write this out like this. You don't have to. I'm just trying to do this to show you because if I was teaching in the classroom, this is how I would show you. This is 10 and we add 1, 2, 3, 4 extras. All together, that's 14. So down on the bottom, that's where you're going to put what I just did. 10, count to 10, and then we add 11, 12, 13, 14. Just like doing it on your fingers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10 and 4 more is 14. Okay? This is easy, huh? All right. Right here. Now, this is a little tricky. You've got to make sure that somebody reads this to you. I'm reading it to you, but if you forget, ask Mom and Dad to read it to you. Eva picked 13 flowers. They're telling us how many she picked. Circle the number of flowers Eva picked. So over here, which one says 13? 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to start with circling it. Now, guess what? If you count these, there are not 13 there. She picked 13, but here there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do we need to do? We need to draw those extra 3 flowers down here. So, oh, those are pretty flowers. If you look, there's a star in the middle. Pretty. 1. I'm going to try to make them like that with a star. Look, see, I started with a star. I never noticed that before. Really pretty. I don't think I've ever made a flower like that. I like it. Look, I put a star and then I just kind of go around like that. Now do we have 13? 10, 11, 12, 13. There we go. Now what I did here is we're supposed to draw a picture of 14, but they want us to start with 10. So I wanted to make shamrocks and I knew it would take a little bit of time. So I went ahead and did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 before I started the lesson because I wanted to save a little time. You don't have to do shamrocks. You can do flowers, you can do hearts, you can do stars, you can do circles, whatever you want. But I want you to start out with 10. Now, does this look like a 10 frame? Yeah, I didn't put all the lines in there. I could do that, but you don't have to. But I do want you to put them in a group, okay? I've got 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. That's 10. And then if we're making 14, we're gonna have to add another one down here. You wanna see how I made those shamrocks? Look, oh, I don't like that pencil. I need to take these pencils to school and sharpen them. All right, so this is how I did it. Give it a try if you want. I made a heart here, and then I turn it sideways, and I put a sideways heart going this way, and then I put another going this way, and then I have to add my little stem. Isn't that cute? All right, I'm gonna make one more like that. We're making 14, aren't we? 2, I guess I got it. I have to make 2 more like that. And then I'll show you an easier way if you do want to make shamrocks like me. Okay, so I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 equals 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 more. And I'll show you an easier way to make a shamrock. You could just put a circle on the top, a circle on the side, another circle like it's in a triangle, and then put the stem. These are probably a little bit nicer, but you could do it like that. You don't even have to draw shamrocks, do you? You can draw whatever you want. Okay, good job on your math today, boys and girls. Bye-bye.